Basic English versus Advanced English. I made a mistake. I messed up. I don't understand. I don't get it. See you later. Catch you later. I don't like it. It's not my thing. It's boring. It's dull. That was funny. That was hilarious. Can you help me? Can you give me a hand? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I will think about it. I'll sleep on it. This is easy. Piece of cake. I finished my work. All done. It's very hot today. It's a scorcher. I woke up late. I overslept. You're welcome. No problem. Are you okay? You good? I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I forgot. It slipped my mind. That's crazy. That's insane. Go away. Get lost. I'm very thirsty. I'm parched. Be careful. Watch out. Let's discuss this. Let's talk it over. Where are you? Where you at? It's your decision. Up to you. It's cold. It's freezing. I'm very excited. I can't wait. I'm busy. I've got a lot on my plate. I'm serious. I mean it. That's annoying. That's getting on my nerves. Tell me more. Fill me in. I will try my best. I'll give it my all. Hurry up. Step on it. I fell asleep. I nodded off. I'm sorry. My bad. What did you say? Come again? Leave me alone. Gimme a break. Calm down. Pull yourself together. Simply. In a nutshell. He is silly. He is cheesy. On a daily basis. Day to day. Go to sleep. Hit the sack. He talks a lot. He is a chatterbox. He ignored me. He gave me the cold shoulder. She is in trouble. She is in hot water. He is annoying. He is a pain in the neck. Unaware of something. In the dark. He causes trouble for others. He is a troublemaker. Friend of the family. Family friend. Immediately. In a heartbeat. To date someone. To go out with someone. She gave him permission. She gave him the green light. To end a relationship. To break up. Fail or succeed. Sink or swim. Very red. As red as a cherry. All the time. Day and night. Good and bad times. Ups and downs. Waste money. Throw money down the drain. Give up. Throw in the towel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.